Hey guys, it's Arennaa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I am doing an Innisfree haul. So I recently ran out of a lot of my skincare, so I decided to stock up on all my favorite stuff, and I thought I would share it with you guys. So let's jump right in. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is this green tea seed serum essential set. And I originally only came in for the green tea seed serum, but then they said that this was their current promotion for the month. I'm actually not sure how long it goes for, but they said it was just their current promotion, so I decided to pick one up since this was valued at $39, and you can just grab this whole set for $39, so I thought it might as well. But this one just comes with a green tea seed eye cream, a green tea seed cream, and a green tea sleeping mask, all in small tester sizes. I normally get the larger green tea seed serum, but since they said they weren't selling it at the moment, I just picked up the normal side and I just got it in this cute little set. The next item that I picked up is the green tea seed essence in lotion, which is one of my favorite essences. I've been using this one for the longest time and I've ran out. I pretty much ran out of all my skincare, so my skin's been really bad because I have been just like trying to scrape by on like the bare minimum, pretty much nothing. So my skin is in extra need of hydration at the moment, so I decided to repurchase my essence in lotion since I do really like this one. I've gone through like 3 bottles. And the next item that I picked up is this green barley peeling toner. I originally used the green tea seed toner. Pretty much my whole skincare routine at the moment is from the Innisfree green tea seed serum range, but I was talking to the lady at Innisfree and she really recommended this one, and since I ran out of my other one, I thought I might as well try something new. So this is the green barley peeling toner, and it just comes in this really cute light green packaging. She said it was like good for hydration and like kind of sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I thought I'd give it a shot since the girl really raved about this one. The next product that I picked up is this ginger honey cream. I honestly went in for the green tea seed serum cream, which is the one that came in the set. I was gonna buy a full size of that one since it's the one that I currently use, but then while I was like looking at stuff, the girl was like, oh, can I test this one on your hand? And she put like a little swatch on my hand for me, and it smelled so good that I decided to swap it out and try the ginger honey cream just because it smelled so good and it felt really nice. And I've been using the green tea seed cream for the longest time, so I decided to change it up a bit and give this one a shot. And this one just comes in a yellow orange container. I'm pretty sure all their creams come in the same container, just different colors for different ranges, but I can't wait to give this one a try. I also picked up another cream, which is this Jeju Lava Seawater cream, and this one was meant to be really good for like sensitive skin. The girl really raved about this one as well, so I decided to pick one up. And this one comes in a blue container. My sister actually uses this one and she really likes it, so I decided to get one for her and to try it out as well. So the last item that I picked up is some of this Biju Trouble Cleansing Gel, and I actually picked up 2 of these just because my brother and sister also use these ones, so we ran out of them fairly quickly, so I decided to pick up another 2 for backup. This one's really great for like sensitive skin, and both my siblings have sensitive skin, so we just all use this one. Love this stuff, got 2 of them. And that's pretty much everything that I picked up from Innisfree. The lady was kind enough to give me this really cute sample thing. She was just like, grab one, and it's honestly so cute. The packaging is from their newest collection, which is their Cherry Blossom range. I honestly love it. I feel like it's super nice. I wanted to get the palette, but then it's pink and I pretty much have so many pink palettes already, so I decided just to give it a pass. But I honestly love their packaging. It's so beautiful. And this sample just came with 3 little testers. So this one is the green tea seed skin, which I'm pretty sure is the green tea seed toner, and this is the toner that I was talking about previously. It's the one that I currently use at the moment, so it's great to have a sample size of that one in case I want to go back to it. I also got a green tea seed essence in lotion sample, and I actually have a bottle of this lotion already. As I said, my whole skincare range at the moment is from the green tea seed range, so I have all their products, but I do really like it and I still have some left, so it's great to have a sample in case I ever need to take one anywhere, which probably won't be going anywhere anytime soon, but still nice to have on hand. And also this green tea foam cleanser, which is great. I haven't used the green tea foam cleanser, I've been just using this one, and I swapped between this one and the pomegranate Innisfree cleanser, so maybe I'll like the green tea cleanser. It's the only thing in the green tea range that I haven't used before. Anyways, that is all for my Innisfree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.